Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am way overdue for an update, and it's been a couple of weeks again since last time we talked, and a few things happened here. Not a lot of change, but a few things. And let me start by showing you one of the first things, new things in my little homestead here. Let me show you. All right, guys. Well, here they are. 4 little girls. They have names because the kids named them, but I honestly don't know which one is which. So all you should know is that they all start with a P. I think it's Pillow and Porota and Peppa and Portia or something like that. And the kids were, playing with the P letter, and that's what we ended up with. So through Andalusian, these are the blue ones, and I believe there's an American red girls, and they think I have snack or something. That's why they're all over here right now. Say hi. So they are only about 4 months old right now, so no eggs yet. That's right. I already love them. It's funny. I pretty much set up this whole thing as the run, and they have their coop over there. Like I said, I only have 4, so the coop is okay sized for now. Maybe you guys can give me more tips. I haven't had time yet to kind of make the run a little bit more fun for them and more friendly, I guess. But I'm working on it. They have a lot of space here, and they love this dirt because they can, they get to clean themselves in it. Here's the coop. I use wood pine shavings inside of the coop. I don't want to show you inside because it's probably dirty. But oops. But yeah, this is, it's just big enough for them. I wouldn't put more than 4 of my girls here. But it suffices for them right now, for my 4 girls. So during the day they're all here, and at night I do close this. And I had been closing that one as well because it gets cold, and then early in the morning I let them out. And the reason why I keep them in this smaller one at night is because, coyotes and other things out here. You might wonder why I don't have them out here, just free ranging. Well, okay, would you let me go? Excuse me. Oop, thank you. Well, we do have hawks, and I actually seen a big one around here quite often, so I don't feel comfortable. Let me turn this around. I don't feel comfortable right now actually having them out here, not yet. So this is one thing that happened. I'm hoping by the end of February or so they'll be around 6 months old, and I'm hoping to start seeing some eggs. And let's go to the other side of the yard now, and I'll show you a little bit how my garden is doing. Hey guys, it's Cece here again, trying to avoid the sun in the camera, but let's see if we go this way. Yeah, I think that's better. All right. So I was trying to upload the last part of my video, and for some reason it was not uploading. So I'm sure you're seeing, I'm going to add the part when I'm showing you guys my chickens, a new addition to the homestead here. And for those who don't know, I also have a bunny, and it is a pet bunny, but I do use his stool as a fertilizer for my garden, and it's been great actually. So in my next video I'm going to give you an update on what my garden is looking like. You can kind of get a peek in that side really quick. You see that? Where my dog is. So that's my smaller garden bed, but I have the other 2 over there. And yeah, kind of show you what's been going on and what's been growing and what are my goals as well for this 2021 with the garden. What I've been doing so far to prepare for the spring garden, and some of the seedlings that I had started already. That's gonna come out in the next video. Right now I just kind of wanted to wrap up this other video, this short video, with the update of the new addition to the homestead, like I mentioned before, the chickens, and also a little bit of what my goals are for 2021. So some of my goals include to add more garden beds and to be able to increase the production rate of my garden. Another one of my goals is to add some more bushes and plants, flowers that can create a little bit more of a privacy, fence here around my property too. And I hope I can get some eggs from those chickens soon. They will be 6 months old next month in February, and that's usually when they start laying eggs. So I'm crossing my fingers that I'll be seeing some eggs soon. And yeah, that's kind of what I want. Obviously I will be planting more fruit trees. That's another goal for this spring. And to add, one of my biggest goals right now is to be able to add another of my Arabica avocado trees, like the one I had in my other property. I was so sad that I had to leave that tree, and I wanted another one so bad. So I was waiting for the time, and we're hoping maybe by middle of February I'll be able to plant a new Arabica tree. So that's coming up too. And yeah, just try to do better in my garden this next year, better than I did this winter. This was my first winter here in this house, in this garden, and I'm trying to learn everything from where to just starting to just figuring out where to put the garden beds, and to knowing what kind of pests I'm more prone to have in this area, since I have bigger more land. There are other kind of pests that I didn't have an issue with before, such as gophers and things like that. So learning all of that and the best ways to care for my garden in a different environment, it's been great, and I think I'm getting the hang of it. So we'll see when summer comes what else is going to happen. But anyway, I don't want to make this video too long, and I hope you all had a great Christmas, and wish you the best for this 2021 year. Hopefully we get to do a lot more gardening, a lot more homesteading, and spend more time outside, even with COVID restrictions on all of that. At least we get to be outside in our gardens, whether it's big or small. I know for me it's been such a blessing to have somewhere to just take the stress out and do what I love, and don't even think or realize that I've been out here for hours working on my garden. And it's just, it just helps a lot with the stress, I guess. So all right, see you guys all in my next video. Please, if you want to see more and you want to keep seeing other videos, like I said, keep update. I'm gonna give another update next week of what's been going on in this my winter garden and all that. You can always click on the subscribe button. Doesn't cost anything, and it helps me a lot grow my channel. Also, if you give it a thumbs up to the video, that'll be great. And I'll see you all on my next video next week. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.
You and me were meant to be.